Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this amazing channel, and of course welcome to another amazing video. uh we're here again, coming from an emotional video to this one, guys. Today, spend a day with me in the village, cleaning the compound. We want to move some things and arrange them. So welcome to this amazing vlog. If you're new here and this is your first time here, karibu sana to this channel, and of course make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment on this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming to support my channel, to support me, to encourage me to continue this journey of YouTube. Coming from a video of my son throwing my batteries, my GoPro batteries in the toilet. We are here, guys. Yeah, I just had to accept that it has gone. At least he was not the one who fell into the toilet, because it would have been another story. So welcome to my channel. Today, guys, it's an amazing day. Of course, it's very sunny. A lot is going on, but you know what? We thank God for good health. We thank God for waking us up this great morning. Everything else can wait. Everything else can wait. But we thank God, guys. So this great morning, guys, spend it with me. It will be so fun. We'll be moving firewood. There's firewood that is on this side, so we're going to bring it here on my compound. There's cleaning the compound. It's a bit dirty, and also if those things that I'm going to move them from the compound, if they're going to be dry, I'm going to kuzichoma. How do we say kuzichoma? Oh my god, to burn them. Going to burn them, guys. So welcome to this channel, guys. Water maji ilirudi. So yesterday I was making tunnels so that the water can penetrate inside the skumas, and it has a lot of pressure. So yesterday, that's how we had opened it. I wanted to go to this my small kitchen garden here. Those are my kales. Yesterday we did kales. We ate kales, and you can see my pumpkin, guys. This is the third week. It adapted so well. It's so big. Day by day it grows so big. And those are my kales. And of course, I can't forget about my maize, guys. Let's go in there and see what's going on. So we have peas, minji. You see them here? They're growing so well. First, let me show you this garden here, how I made some way so that my water can pass. You see how it's moving there? It is moving on well. It will come out from here, and you have my onions, spring onions that need to be weeded on, and some spinach there. So this part has a lot of weeds than this one. I don't know why. You can see the water has reached to this part. From there, technology guys, it's here. So it will come and itafika hapa, and you can see it's going up to the banana. We have my plantain here that I planted. It also adapted, guys. So we're waiting for it to grow big, and this place will be full of plantains. It will be a very beautiful farm, a small farm here. And these are my beans. You can see they are zinajifunga kwa mahindi. They grow so tall. We have some here growing. You can see these ones are beans pods. These ones are pods. Just waiting for them to put in some beans and dry up so that we can be cooking. So this is what, guys, I've been doing. Let us try and open a road here so that the water can go this side, like that one, just like that. Yeah, I wanted to share so that it can share, and also pass here iende hivyo And yeah, it's a small farm but been very beneficial. This is where I pick my kales. Nowadays I don't buy kales and spinach. You need to get the other ones from the farm uko chini, the spinach, and you come and plant. The water is coming from here, so let it fill this place, then you can tuifunge. So let me give you a quick tour. Some maize are stunted on this other side. You can see, guys, maize on this side are short. Then here, this place is where my kitchen garden was, and it was very fertilized since I used manure. All these parts, that's where we had placed the manure, and the farm is so big. Let us see how our peas are doing. Here, you can see I'll be eating them in like 2 months. They have grown. You can see them there. I have them here. They have very big pods. These ones. Yeah, so guys, I planted these ones myself. The work of my hands. It feels so good when something finally does good, when you've planted it. And yeah, up to the tree. Let us go there. So this part, this is where we used to burn charcoal, to make charcoal. You can see they're still here. They are here. So you come and harvest them together. So you can see this side is a bit bushy. And you have a very huge tree here. So this tree is touching the electric wire, so it is very risky, and we don't want to interfere with it. And yeah, this side, it's because of the shadow, the tree shadow, that's why they're not doing that good, but they're not that bad again. They're good, they're beautiful. Yeah, this is the 1 month standing my 1 month standing green pepper, guys. This side had green pepper, all of it. So we've planted up to that part where you're seeing the maize are a bit high. This is how much we'll be harvesting coming months. Coming months we're going to eat maize here and make maize flour and make something called motungo. Motungo is boiled maize. That's a Kikuyu word. And then we enjoy our maize. Everything that comes with maize we are going to enjoy, guys. Yeah, so this is where the beans have started. Kwenda huko, they have zimeenda in lines. You can see them. These ones are the beans. We did like 10 lines of beans because that's what we had, and also peas. Minji zingine blended. So some things kama hizi, that's what I'm saying. I'll be burning them. There's a lot of dirt in this compound. You can see it's not that clean. It's my responsibility to make it clean. Clean it. This is a good sack. No, it's outside. You can put something inside like maize and beans. Yeah? Bar Patrol. That's my son JJ. You can see even this part. It's dirty. It's dirty. Guys, this is where they were cooking. This is where they had placed some cooking parts. There's some cooking stones when we had housewarming party. That's why you can see a 3 stoned outside firewood there. So let's clean it. And this is the remaining charcoal that remained we are using currently. It's like half a sack. That's what we are using. It's from the housewarming. Then you have, this is where they cooked their meals, and these ones are foils and some papers there. We want to remove them. This one is my chicken house. I never brought them. Zikoko komathenge. That's where they are. They are. Eh? Hmm? Ken, kuja unishikie kamera. Kuja unishikie. Wewe, unafanya nini? Gari yako. Coffee pipe?
Pipe?
Ya maji?
Ya green?
Kwa. Yetu. Yetu.
Au nini ya nani? Shamba.
Utaiendea nitakuosha ikapo. beba hiyo, twende. Beba twende. Beba lete hiyo kidogo.
Endo weke pale. Endo weke pale.
Camera. So hi guys.
Hi guys.
Nana niyo. Ika.
Ende. Ende.
Kopi viatu? I wanted to finish some chores. So if the fire just catches one plastic, it just lights up itself. So that's my chicken house. It's yet to be finished. Need to do some plastering and some other things. This one's a washing powder. So we'll be staying here to prevent it from catching the fence. This is a banana plant, but it never bears any plantains for us, so it's useless. It's just here to beautify our compound. I'll try climbing this tree because there's some avocados up there that we need to pick, and they're going bad since no one is picking them. You see guys, as easy as that and everything, your compound is clean. This one is JJ's toy, and we've put the firewood there that we'll be using when needing to cook, like when when we need to cook githeri, beans, and all that. We need even to move those ones also. These ones are going to stay there. Sometimes I can cook from there, you know, just have fun, having fun. This is a box